Before you start, make sure to disconnect power to the AC unit to reduce the risk of serious electric shock. The first step to replace the indoor evaporator fan blade assembly is to remove the 9 screws located around the perimeter of the shroud. This will allow you to lift off the shroud and expose the internal components. With the shroud removed, you will see a large molded foam enclosure at the front of the unit. This enclosure houses the evaporator core and the blower fan. Begin at the rear of the upper cover, near the blower motor. Gently pull straight upward to separate the two halves. Continue working around the perimeter towards the front until the upper cover is completely free. To change the fan blade assembly, locate the fan and fan motor assembly positioned near the center of the unit. Cut the zip ties holding any wires to the motor bracket. Then remove 6 Phillips head screws holding the fan motor bracket down to the base plate. This will allow enough movement to be able to remove the fan blade assembly from the motor. Be careful, as the wires will still be attached. Remove the 5/8" reverse threaded nut and washer. Then the fan blade assembly can be removed from the motor shaft. Installation of a replacement fan blade assembly is the reverse of the removal. Just remember that the nut is reverse threaded. Then reinstall the fan bracket assembly to the base with the 6 Phillips head screws previously removed. Reattach any wires to the bracket with zip ties as they were originally. Make sure to give the fan a quick spin to make sure there's nothing obstructing its movement. Once properly positioned, align the upper cover and snap it back into place. Finally, reinstall the shroud by securing it with the 9 screws previously removed. After tightening all the screws, gently lift the shroud to confirm it is securely fastened with no movement.